Okay guys, so I hope everything's okay with this camera. I'm using Chandler's phone right now because I'm currently uploading a video on my phone. So anyway, turn that off. So today I wanted to do a New Year's Eve look, but I didn't just want to do that. I wanted to do this look by NIKKIE Tutorials. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna see how this turns out.
Alright, so the first product I'm going in with is this one by Milani. This is called the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. Now, I don't live that life. I need a separate concealer, but this is an amazing, affordable foundation.
I guess she already primed, so I'm just gonna go in with my Cover FX blurring primer.
Just using up and down tapping motions to get that product in, and you can see how full coverage this is. Oh my gosh. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Time to fight those under eyes. Now, my favorite concealer is this one by Jouer. This is called the Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. Now, the thing is, this does cost a little bit more. This is Shape Tape's bigger sister that has evolved more in life, and by tapping it in just like the foundation, and I work my way from bottom to top. So make sure I blend it in seamlessly on the cheeks first, then I look up and go right against my lashes. Baking is picking up your powder with that sponge. I take the flat edge of the sponge, I dip it into my powder. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm just gonna tap under the eye using all that powder, and it might be a little scary at first. Just tap it in. What's gonna happen is that powder is gonna set the wet concealer and foundation, and it's gonna make sure that it doesn't move throughout the day.
Hot in here. Oh man.
Using that same puff, I'm also gonna pat in that under eye bake. If you want any eye look to be a success, of course you have to go in with the base, and the base I'm using is the P. Louise one. Then
okay, so I already have concealer on my eyelids.
After that, I'm going straight in with a highlighter and putting this on the brow bone.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to go into a ring light right here.
Now the first shadow I'll be using is the Bare Necessity color from this Beauty Bay Brights palette. Picking that up on a fluffier blending brush.
Okay, so I want to use the Dose of Colors Daisy by Katie eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and go into basic.
Color. So I'm putting it almost against my brow to still see some warmth in the end. Okay, now we're gonna go in with that more cool toned darker brown right next to it. Picking that up on a more concentrated blending brush and starting to diffuse this closer towards the bottom of the crease. And you guessed it, this is our next transition shade for the black.
I think I'm going to take Necessary, and I think this is Just a Kiss, and then she said concentrate that. And I'm also taking a little bit of Cheens too. It's this darker brown right here. I haven't blended all of mine out, but this is what she has and this is what I have. So like, I feel like I'm trying to do what she's doing. Like, I feel like I always do it this way, but like she's bringing it out. We're gonna keep going. Okay.
Now, in order to give my black a little bit more structure, I'm using a black pencil on the lid.
I think I'm just gonna take this black gel eyeliner and take this little, it's a little, I think it came in a Rimmel black eyeliner, gel eyeliner kit, whatever. I'm nervous. I don't know how far up she goes.
Now going in with the black shade Illicit to pack that on the lid and softly tapering it into the crease. Now, black is one of this.
Okay. Okay, maybe. Low-key scared. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this little flat brush. So nervous. Okay, yes, maybe. That is so nerve-wracking. Look ridiculous. No. You stay there. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Every single time, packing it on the lid using up and down tapping motions. And just take your time, okay? Little by little, just pack it on and go up a little bit higher every single time you apply that shade. And then we'll focus on blending. Just get that color on, make it as opaque and black as you can.
Nikki, now you should have known that I needed to do my base after this black. It's fine though. Okay. So I need a smaller brush. Okay. She said start blending that. Back and forth. Oh girl. Okay. I did not just do that. Nikki girl, help. Okay, just keep blending. See what else she has.
All right,
to
now
say.
going in with this Jouer
Ooh, girl,
by
I'm
Topper
not
in
that far.
Constellation. I'm applying.
Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a light brown and just blend. An avalanche. This is Punch Me from the James Charles palette. And I've been using Spooky from the James Charles palette. I'm gonna go ahead and go into No Beans. And just start blending that out. Is that correct? Because I really don't know. Y'all don't be judging me. James, you got a little fallout over here. What's up with that? Don't worry. It's okay. Hers definitely does not look like this, but you know what? We're doing our best. Okay. Okay, so what y'all think? I'm doing my best. So now she's going in with her Jouer eye topper. But do I want to do purple or blue? Whoa, they look totally different in the light. This looks purple from here, but it looks blue on there. Or does it? Yeah. And then this definitely looks like a navy blue. How about both, maybe? Okay, let's try it. Oh my god. So I'm taking Try Me? Yes. It's either Try Me or Game Over. Honestly, I don't know. I think she puts it all over her eye. I hope she does.
All right, now going in with this Jouer eye topper in Constellation. I'm applying this towards the inner part of the lid, and then as soon as it's dry, I'm going to pat it with a brush, and that will bring out the glitter.
Didn't they say to wet these? Hang on. Oh. Yeah, I just don't even know. So excited. Okay. I'm literally spraying some on the back of my hand. Oh, okay, so that's how it is. This was totally sitting there that entire time. Okay, hello, glitter. How are you? Now let's see what you do.
You have a super sparkly, black, smoked out, glittery eye. Now for the bottom, we're just gonna follow along. So I'm going in with the dark brown and the black to Smokey and Outie.
Okie dokie. Let's do it. Oh, girl, there's glitter on my face. Nobody invited you here on my face. I just invited you on my eyes. Okay.
All right, now you could totally...
Okay, so she put black on her other eyes too. I'm gonna look like a raccoon. She put that thing on all the way, y'all. I'm stressed. Girl, let's do it then. Good enough.
Up here, call it a day, and be your smoky black glittery soul self. But if you're like me and your middle name is Extra, of course we're gonna take it that extra mile. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is place a couple of eyelash glue dots, and I'm gonna cover that up with holographic tiny little stars like these.
I don't have them, but glitter is too fine. We still gonna try though. This is probably gonna mess it up, cause that's what I do. Okay. This is not the same. Okay, yeah, no, we're not doing this. No. How are you gonna come off my face now? Ooh. Brief intermission. Okay, intermission is over. I fixed it kinda. Like, it's not as good as it once was, but she's better than she was. Okay.
Would you look at that? And that just gives it that special little flair. From far away, it's going to look a lot more holographic, so people are going to be like, what was that? Here's by the Gypsy on the Pterodactyl dish. All you need is some falsies, and these are Lily Lashes.
I'm just gonna put on my whiskeys, because they're easy. I'll be right back. Okay, so I noticed she had her eyebrows done. So here I am. And I have my lashes on. I feel like my under eye isn't dark enough after looking at hers again. So I guess I'm gonna go in with some more black. And she actually has glitter on the inside as well as the little stars on the outside. So I thought that I could just add some shine. So I think I wanted to use one of these in conjunction with this color right here. So I think it's more gold. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit in there. And then I'll clean this brush off, go into that color.
Okay, with such dramatic eyes, I highly suggest warming up the face and giving it a bit of structure to sort of make everything look cohesive and a look, a mood. Today for bronzer, I'm using the I can never say that right. Today for bronzer, I'm using the Physician's Formula. Black smoky eyes tend to drain the color from the face a little bit, so I'm popping some color back in using this Modern Mandarin Blush by MAC.
Alright, so that's kind of orangey. So I have this color.
For highlighter, I'm using this one by Maybelline. This is a Master Chrome in the number 250. Because, you know, you want to compete with all those fireworks. You want to steal the shine.
She said we want to steal the shine from the fireworks. Alrighty.
Keep it nude and matte since all the sparkliness is on the eyes and on the cheeks and in the skies with all the fireworks. So I'm going in with a liquid lipstick by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and this one is in the color Barefaced. And remember how after all that powder earlier in this video I said to spray your face to transform it back into skin? Now is that time. My favorite setting spray at the moment is by Scandinavia. This is the primer spray, but I think it's beautiful as a setting spray. So I'm just going to spritz my face.
Alright, so now I'm going to go change clothes and I'll be right back.
Without any further ado, let's go on to today's Dutch word of the day.
Let's see what the Dutch word of the day is.
Now, of course, since this is a black smoky eye, I really want to teach you the word for black. So let's go. Zwart. 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 If you want to see your face pop up.
Zwart. Zwart. Right?
But my next zwart.
Zwart. Zwart. Anyway. Alrighty guys, so that's the end of this video. I think that it turned out really, really good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you like these types of videos below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.